How to replace a GE stove control board face. So I did a previous video on how to replace like a whole control board, but this one, all we need to replace is the face, like it's just cracked here, and but the board itself still works. So we have this face plate that we're going to replace on it. Pull the stove out a little bit. You're gonna need a screwdriver with a T15 star bit. Now I'm just come to the back here and take out these 4 screws with our hex head. So, just kidding, you only need to take out 2 screws. Now we're going to take out these 4 screws. Put a glove on just because it says considerable amount of oil on it. Cut the zip tie because it's getting in my way. You know, it's probably a good idea to unplug it while we're messing with electric stuff. So this is glued on, so it just peels off. So this is the new one, and on the back, we'll just have to peel that off and stick it to the plastic. Clean this up a bit before sticking the faceplate to it. Now we just gotta put it all back together. Plug it back in. All good. Like and subscribe.